Thank you. My honey boo boo's gonna. That's his Cash App. We run a pool business. That's why it's pool service. Well, I say we run it. We own it too, I guess, or he owns it. I just slave away. Thank you. You guys try to pin them for me so I know who's doing it, because I can't watch all the comments obviously, but for the ones who say that they're sending, just let me know. Holla. All right, so what are we doing? Do you guys want me to, you don't want me to go ahead and add the pine sol or anything? You mean, guys, what you mean? Wait, you want me to wait? Suds first, but all right, you guys can decide too if you want me to use the pine sol, it's 80 ounce pine sol, or have the large jug of professional Penalen. All right, we got a vote for pine sol. Penalen is my favorite, but I just never have pine sol, but I love pine sol too. There's more of the Penalen, obviously. Should it keeps? Okay, bet. I didn't know if you guys could hear her. I forget I don't have my AirPods and y'all can literally hear everything. Maggie, you're making an appearance, ma'am. It's my dog. My husband's gone. I didn't know you guys could hear it, I forget. Oh, that's so exciting. Oh, that's so exciting. I love that. That's so awesome. I love watching my Mama J and all these other wonderful clean talkers. Oh yeah, I understand that for sure. You definitely want to make sure you get it right. And that's hard, but you know, I can't say that you did or you didn't, or you will or you won't. It's just something, you know, kind of gotta live it and see. Yeah, I'll do a little bit of hand mixing in just a moment. I'll get these sponges out of the way off to the side. Yeah, I'll I'll do some powder bombs for sure. I can do one with just powder bombs for sure. Oh. I forgot to put some over here. The first time I moved out, yes. Like I got a place with this girl, or this woman, really. She's older than me. But yes, I was terrified then. But when I moved in with my ex-husband, and I was not. It really is, yeah. You guys don't forget, if you donate gifts, CA or Venmo, in the amount of $10 or more, I am raffling off some small buckets of the finished product that I'll mail out to you. I most certainly will. It's a small bucket. It seals. I'm gonna let it rest for a couple days so it doesn't expand, and then I will send it out to you. But yes, I'm sending out if you win the raffle, yes. Yes, that is exciting. Here's for the hand mixing. Yeah, definitely that. Gonna put everybody that sent 10 or more in a drawing and send a couple of the raffle. I'm gonna pile up the sponges, get them out of the way for a minute. No, I didn't disconnect. I forgot about the puzzle, you guys. Sorry. Chat and the Venmo, and then I can give you guys also the Apple Pay if you guys need that, if anybody prefers that. And I do have more Penalin if needed. If we need that for more liquids, I do have the Penalin. And y'all know, if y'all know, you know, I love me some professional Penalin. And the drawing later. Here I am playing in it instead of doing what I said I was gonna do. Yeah, right? Making potions. Oh no. Yeah, it's like wind chill of 19 here or something like that. And I'm like, no, thank you. Not about that cold life.